I think it's first of all, it's really difficult to establish and maintain manufacturing because it takes so much money for the equipment, for the facilities, for the transportation. So once you get established and once you get a foothold in the market, that's just a real positive for a community to build around. So our community has lots of positives, business being one, and part of that is the manufacturing we do here locally in town. And you couple that with the lakes and the tourism as well as the farming, it makes for a pretty dynamic community.
Some of the challenges we face as an industry really comes down to personnel, the human resource. Because I can buy machines, I have the square footage here in Perham, material isn't an issue, but really I can't grow my business anymore because I don't have the human capital. And right now this program is developing an interest in manufacturing. And that's not just about my business, it's giving the kids an opportunity to see all the things that have to do with manufacturing, from engineering, design, setup, all of the things that make a manufacturing plant go. That's what we're trying to bring here in the Jackets Manufacturing Program.
Jacket Manufacturing is a student-run business. We all help each other to get all the orders through and all the orders done. Everyone has a role in every project. There's people in the office that do all the office work. There's people in the shop that actually make the products. And then there's people that make sure they get shipped out on time and we get everything done. My name is Shiloh Henderson. I am a sophomore in Perham High School. I have the job of research and design.
My name is Jackson O'Boyle and I run the plasma cutter and do some CAD design.
I'm Dawson Kellogg. I'm a junior. I do most of the laser engraving.
My name is Noel Mozoff and I'm a machinist/welder here in Jacket Manufacturing.
My name is Isaac Van Watermeulen and I'm the marketing and financial manager for Jacket Manufacturing.
My name is Jon Skow and I'm the facilitator of Jacket Manufacturing. I've taught industrial technology for 31 or 32 years, I can't really remember. And Jacket Manufacturing is something new to the school, something very new to the state as a matter of fact. Well, in a regular shop class, if you have questions, you go to the teacher and the teacher gives you the information or the answers. In Jacket Manufacturing, if the kids have a question, I'm not even going to find a phone number for them. They have to find the contacts, they have to contact the people, communicate as an adult with other adults in the business world.
He puts us in charge. The students make the decisions, make the phone calls, get all the bids, order materials. It's like a real job.
I've always kind of wanted to be in the career of engineering and all that after high school, so it kind of gives me a taste of what it's going to be like a little bit.
It's not a regular class where you sit and work in a book. It's out doing what you probably are going to be doing in the future.
It's giving me more of a responsibility, learning how to be able to handle more projects and handle being in charge of something.
It's been our drive in the district the last 5 years to try to provide more opportunities for kids that, haven't been there for a long time or never have been there. We've always offered sports, we've always offered band and choir, so we're looking for programs and activities for kids to get involved, because with that we see increased attendance, we see increased participation in class, more buying, it means something to them.
And having the opportunity to connect with business partners, different people who work in that world every single day of kind of a backwards design model of what do we need to know from them to help better prepare our students, and that's how Jacket Manufacturing quite honestly came about here at Perham High School, and we're very excited about this opportunity to help teach students in a project-based student-run business.
It's very fun, every day is different, and you'll never get bored. It's a class it's almost impossible to get bored in here.
And we've got a lot of students that were born and raised here. They like to hunt and fish. They like this part of the state. And if there's a good paying job that they can walk right into after they leave here or after a few years of school, it's a win-win. It makes them a good citizen and a good steward of the community, and it feeds some of those needs that our partners in town have and in the area.
This is just one more opportunity that we can help our students grow and see themselves as a leader and it's been a lot of fun.
Jacket manufacturing is giving people, young people, that kind of experience that they can walk right into a job, or it's going to whet their appetite to get into a 2-year degree. And beyond that, some of those young people that are involved in this are going to get into engineering, food science, and other critical areas that we need locally to keep our business thriving.
Well, what I'd like to tell the audience that's watching the video is to invest, come and see Jackets Manufacturing for yourself. It's a very exciting program. It offers a lot, not only to our community, but to the school and to the students as well. So it's just a wonderful program. I'm super excited to see the future of the program. We're invested as a company to try to help Jackets Manufacturing succeed in any way that we can. And it's just going to be very exciting to watch the next 5 and 10 years unfold.
We talk so much about theory, and we talk so much about what's happened in the past. This program is going to be about what's going to be happening in the future, and how do we stay out in front of it, and then give people the skills and knowledge and understanding to move forward.